Hello everyone and welcome back to the stay-at-home garden videos. Today we're actually going to learn how to make an envelope out of a piece of paper. We're doing this so you guys can make an envelope for your seeds when you're saving them after your growing season. So we're actually going to start off with a full piece of paper. I'm using a piece of printer paper. Although mine is purple, the color does not matter. So as you can see, I made a line and did a fold. I'm trying to make this piece of paper as square as possible. So I'm going to simply cut along this line. Things don't have to be perfect, but when you are making origami, it tends to be easier when you have straight lines and the correct measurements, but today we're just gonna see what we can do. So now you have a square piece of paper, as square as you can get. We're gonna fold it in half, corner to corner. This will be the test to see how square my piece of paper really is. It's almost square. It's pretty square. I've got a little bit of the edge left over, but that's about it. So we're gonna fold it in half, make a triangle, pull it apart, and do it the opposite way. So opposite corners touch. Now this time we don't need to push it all the way across, just a little bit of a mark in the middle, right here. That way when you open it up, it looks like there's a cross in the middle. So I'm going to take the sides that I didn't completely fold and bring those corners right to that point in the middle. They're going to match right in the middle, and I'm going to fold those in. Those will stay there. This will be the side of your envelope. Now I'm going to fold in the bottom. The bottom's actually going to fold in with some of this folded paper tucked in. So we're going to fold it up, fold it up. So it's starting to look like an envelope. Like I said, you're going to have some of that folded paper tucked in. So now you can see how this envelope is starting to look. But we want to make sure this area is a lip that will tuck this piece of paper in and keep these envelopes secure. So I'm going to take this piece of paper back out, and I'm actually going to take this corner, these two corners, and fold them in like this. So now I've got this extra little line, but I want to bring this point down to the middle right here first. So we're just making some creases right here. I'm going to take my outside creases and fold them in. Fold them in like that, but I made this other crease here. Let me find it. It's not always easy finding the crease. Not making mine look perfect. Alright, so mine doesn't look perfect, but it works. You can tell my square is not perfect. But we're gonna fold these sides in, fold our point down, and this is gonna be like a lip that hooks behind this. I gotta make sure this is secure. There we go. So we're gonna fold it up, take the lip, and tuck these pieces of paper behind it. So that way, see how it holds this? It holds your pieces of paper in like an envelope. If you like, you can always put stickers here to decorate it, or tape to make it more secure if you like. But that is your envelope, and then you simply take the top end and fold it over. And now you have yourself an origami envelope where you can put seeds inside.